In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record yourself on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're looking to capture a presentation, conduct a meeting, or simply need to save a discussion for later review, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, look for the button that says Join or Create Team. This feature allows you to either become part of an existing group or set up a new one from scratch. For our purposes, we'll be creating a new team. Now you'll see an option to create a team. Go ahead and select that. You'll be given some choices about the type of team to create. Click on Other, which is ideal for projects or social groups that fall outside of specific categories like sports clubs or professional development. Next, you'll encounter a privacy setting. Click on Privacy and choose Private. This option ensures that only members you invite can join your team, which is particularly useful for keeping your recordings confidential or relevant only to certain collaborators. With those settings in place, click on Next. You'll now be prompted to give your team a name. This step is essential as it helps to easily identify your team within the Microsoft Teams dashboard, especially if you're juggling multiple teams or projects. Type in a name, and when you're satisfied, click Next again. You might see an option to add team members at this point, but for this tutorial, we'll skip adding members since our focus is on recording. Simply look for and select the option to skip for now. Now you're ready to initiate a meeting. Find the Meet button and give it a click. Before joining, you'll need to designate a name for your meeting. Think of something descriptive yet succinct that will help you spot the meeting in your records later on. Once named, click Join Now. Congratulations, you're almost ready to record. In the meeting interface, locate the More button. This is typically represented by 3 dots. Click there, and you'll see a few different options. Find and select Record and Transcribe. Now, choose Start Recording. Your session is officially being recorded. This feature is excellent for ensuring you capture all the details of your discussion, useful for both personal reference and sharing with others who may not be present. When you reach a point where the recording is no longer necessary, return to More and simply select Stop Recording. This will conclude your recording session and save the file for future access. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded yourself on Microsoft Teams. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to capture another session. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.